This is my October reminders for rat control. If you are already using a bait station or you have someone who left a bait station on your property, you need to make sure you have the right key to open it. There are several brands. This one is a Protecta by Bell. It's an easy lift, as you can see. And inside you have a wire that holds that bait down, or, which I prefer, you can do posts. It holds more this way. A lot of my customers have these, and they're very simple to use. So as we're getting ready, once every couple of weeks, to check those bait stations, we're just going to slip those bars down on the wire. This keeps this bait in a position where only rats can take some of it a little at a time, and your pets and or kids or other wild animals can't get into it. So it's an easy shut, and then you're set to go. So you just place that along the flat edge of your home or your fence, or both preferably, every 60 linear feet or so. But don't place them near your doorways. Don't put them on your back porch. Don't put them in your garage or in your attic. We're trying not to create a heavier scent trail than is already there from rats having been there. So you want those away from the areas where you go in and out, or where you want rats to stay away from. If you're seeing feces on your porch or in your garage, clean them up every time. And if you have an easy disinfectant or a spray down you can do, that's a good idea too. You'll never be able to get rid of the scent trail that's actually around your fence line and around your home from the rats having already been there, because there's no way to clean that. So remember that this isn't a temporary solution. This is a big help in keeping future rat traffic away from your property. So that's my best instructions for fall. Keep it going every 2 weeks. Now, if you're working on your yard, I have gloves on because we don't want all of these things to smell like us. We want them to smell like nature. So that's why we wear gloves when we're doing bait stations or even rat traps. If you end up needing to get that body out of your garage, you're going to need a trap. Okay? So the next reminder for October is if you're working on your lawn and you have not put down a professional fertilizer for fall, it is time. Our lawns are going to go in here in the south, they're going to go into wintertime dormancy, but they still need an extra boost of those major nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, before they go dormant. So give them that little piece of nutrition. There are several brands that I love, and I can help you decide which one is best for your situation, because you may have St. Augustine, you may have Zoysia, you may have Bermuda, and those three might take something different. Or if your lawn's in great shape and you only need a little bit of maintenance, you're going to use something different than someone whose lawn is struggling and needs a boost. So pre-emergent is the next thing. I highly recommend it for Bermuda, but you usually don't need it on Zoysia and St. Augustine if they are healthy, because they have thicker root systems and they're very good at choking out weeds if they've been kept healthy. So pre-emergent can hinder the growth of St. Augustine and even Zoysia in certain situations. I prefer to use less chemicals and be more proactive on keeping things healthy. Water correctly, only water every couple of times a week. Usually no more in the winter time than every third or fourth day, and make sure you're watering deeply rather than shallow, because you want those roots to go down and be warmer and protected from the cold that's coming. So that's my October reminders. Thanks.